Hello, today I will guide you on how to view Wi-Fi signal strength on Windows 10 L events. Understanding Wi-Fi signal strength versus Wi-Fi speed. Wi-Fi speed refers to how fast the internet is delivered to your home. Wi-Fi signal strength determines how well your router transmits the connection to your devices. Signal strength weakens due to distance, interference, and obstacles. Wi-Fi signal strength is typically measured in decibel milliwatts dBm on a scale from 30 decibel to minus 90 decibel. 80 decibel excellent signal, 90 decibel no connection. However, in this tutorial, we'll check signal strength as a percentage using a simple command. Step-by-step guide to checking Wi-Fi signal strength. Step 1. Open command prompt. Open the search menu. Type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Step 2, run the command to check signal strength. In the command prompt window, type or copy-paste the following command. Look for the signal section. It will display a percenting your rapid signal strength from 100% to 80%. Excellent signal. From 79% to 60%, good signal. From 59% to 40%, fair signal may experience slow speeds. Below 40%, weak signal, connection may drop frequently. Here is the displayed result with my current Wi-Fi speed at 91%. The signal is rated as excellent. This should be a quick and easy way to check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Hope this tutorial helps.